Here are powerful, simple tips inspired by the values of God, family, success, and your future. First, put God first. Pray for guidance in your decision. Stay humble and grateful no matter how high you rise. Keep your values strong so success never changes who you are. Second, honor and strengthen your family. Spend real quality time with the people you love. Support your family's dreams, not just your own. Protect your peace. Home should be your place of strength. Third, build your future with intent. Set clear goals, spiritual, financial, and personal. Learn something new every day. Stay disciplined. Consistency beats talent. Fourth, surround yourself with the right people. Walk with people who lift you up. Distance yourself from the negativity and distraction. Seek mentors who have the success and character you admire. Fifth, take care of yourself. Your future depends on your health, physically, mentally, spiritually. Develop habits like reading, saving money, exercising, and praying. Yan po yung mga tips na binigay ko po sa inyo kung gusto po natin maging successful sa ating buhay. Muli po si Coach Jimro. God bless.